Hey guys, welcome back. It's Tony T. This is a perfect starter camper for you. This is a Zinger 27-foot with the extreme weather package, double door with the bunks, outside burners, and a mini fridge. Double entrance doors outside, speakers to crank those tunes, tankless water heater. Look at all this counter space. I like the sink inserts. You get stainless steel sinks. You have a sectional sofa in here. That back piece turns around and it makes it into a wraparound dinette. Big refrigerator. Big pantry because you got to take a lot of snacks with you, right? You got to eat good when you're camping. You got double bunks right here. These have a 300-pound capacity, so even adults could sleep in those. And I love that door going from the outside right to the bathroom. You're outside at the bonfire, picnic table, in and out right there for the kids. They're not running through the entire camper. Blue LED accent lights everywhere. You can mount a 50-inch TV in here. Extreme weather package, so fully enclosed and heated underneath. You have to strap your kids down when you're traveling. You have a pocket door for your bedroom, AC, furnace. This thing's got it all. Even power jacks. Contact Tony T. Thank you guys so much.